Where are we?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't remember sometimes.
We're at Reflection Riding. I don't even know how to say this. Arboretum? How do you say it? Arboretum and Nature Center. Arboretum. So we're going to explore this today, and this is in Chattanooga, by the way.
Oh, Chattanooga.
It's Chattanooga, yes. Are we going in here first?
Or do you want to go see the animals?
Or do you want to go see the animals?
Let's see you.
All right, let's go this way then.
You and I was a ninja because I did a ninja one. I went fast, super fast.
Which way are we going? See the wolf enclosure over there?
Look, that's my ninja speed.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
It's a life-sized American bald eagle nest.
Hi, can you
So-
go under it?
That is how big it really is.
Look, I'm in the bird nest.
You are in the bird nest.
Do like a bird caught me?
Yep. Bird caught you and put you in the nest.
Yep, I'm ready now. Ah! Let's go over here. There's a wolf over here.
I think there's somewhere around here. You see him playing with that ball?
You're funny. There's a shoe in there. Funny.
What, baby?
Can they bite?
Yes, they can. Look, it looks like Pasha.
It does.
Oh, he sees you.
I've never been this close.
There he is.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, Wolf. Wow, that wolf loves me, does it? You think
He came near you, didn't he?
Yeah, do you think he wants me for dinner or lunch?
Just gonna sit there?
Look, there's that wolf.
It's nice and warm in
Look,
here.
the wolf.
Yep.
Let's go somewhere else.
Okay. Where are we going? To the tree house? All right, we're about to go on the bridge.
That one?
Yep, and there's the tree house.
Right there?
Yep.
What does that say?
Wetlands.
That one?
Wetlands. See all the water around here?
Yeah. It's wet. It's a land.
It's a wetland, that's correct.
Alligator.
Is he right?
No, baby, there's no alligators in that.
What? Sorry. Good trees in here. Holy moly.
Oh yeah?
This,
Is this pretty cool?
oh yeah. And this is taller. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Let's go over here.
Here.
Oh, I can jump from there. You know why? I'll need a thing that you put around your head so you can go glory down.
What was that English?
Oh yeah, it's English. What?
So cool, huh?
I thought I said it. I thought I seen a dead end over there. I'm like, dead end. We can't go over there. It was funny. What was that? Is that the tree house?
That's another tree house. We're gonna go up in it too.
Let's come on.
We're coming.
Goes up and up and up, does it?
It does go up and up and up.
Look how high we are. Look how high we are from down there.
Whoa, look, there's a lake.
Whoa. Come on. Look how high we are. Look how high we
There's
are.
Pawpaw.
Moly. You think I can go in that?
Yeah, you can go in it.
Okay, I can't sit in there.
You can't sit in there?
No, look.
Well, look at this one over here. Here's another one.
I can't sit it down either. Oh, yes, I can.
Oh, come around this way. There you go. You can go in that one.
Got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I can't sit in that one either. Look over there. See that? What? Tree crossing.
A tree crossing, yeah.
Look over at that. That's cool. Watch out for wild animals. You want to get caught by them. Hey, come here. Look, it looks like a giant spider web.
It does look like a giant spider web.
And look, the tree to climb on. Hey, climb up there with me. What to do with me?
Go on, Pawpaw.
You can climb on it and under it. See?
Yeah? We'll see what's up here. What do you think it leads to?
I don't know what it is. This is why I have tough shoes on. That this is a tough hike, right?
You think it's a tough hike?
It is. I'm serious. I'm not kidding you. I'm serious. Good, you know I'm excited. Look, come here.
Cool.
Hey, come on. Come here. You think I can climb up it?
It looks like a big dinosaur.
Huh?
Back in there.
Woo! That was a close one. Whoa! That is huge! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Help.
I see the belly.
Good, bunny.
How do I get down?
You have to turn around and slide down.
I'll help you.
Whoa! I got that big rock.
That is a big rock, isn't it?
Yeah. This is the rock I can just climb on, right? Now this is my first time.
And this way.
What's that?
There you go. Walk down. Everybody.
It's nature's playground for everybody.
Even for you?
Yes, for all of us.
Is it for big people and small people?
All ages.
In my ages?
Yes,
Are you?
I am.
So you climb on parts?
Yeah.
Yay! Yeah. Whoa! I'm hard. How do I get down? Just kidding. Come on, high. Okay.
Yeah, I think we took a shortcut.
Yep.
Big rock. These are falling down.
This is a really cool area.
Oh yeah.
Very pretty.
Careful.
That's why you have this stick.
I'm gonna go in the bamboo forest.
Whoa.
Want to stand in front of it?
Wow. This is awesome.
Oh, look.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. I'm going to get one of those.
Hi there.
Hi.
Through the woods.
Whoa.
So cool.
I want to pet it.
Oh my goodness, how cool.
That.
You wanna go first, or do you want me to go?
I want mine.
Okay, you can be the leader.
Whoa. Look at this. Watch out for these. Look.
Whoa, this is so cool.
You guys have a chain?
Whoa. Here. Look at this. That is awesome. Oh, yeah. I haven't been here before.
Hey.
Whoa, somebody built like a little fort, didn't they?
Yeah. Come here. Let me show you something. I'm just gonna walk around. What do you want to do?
This is baby bamboo back here.
Where?
All this
Yeah.
That's what I do.
compared to the ones out there, yeah.
So, let's go look at it. Let's see what's there. Whoa! Look at this. Look at this place. Is this cool?
Yeah. It is cool.
Awesome.
Whoa.
This is awesome, isn't it? I never did it before. Watch. Whoa. Now there's a fling to swing on. Hey! Papa, watch! Papa!
What?
Watch!
There you go.
Do you want to try?
No, I don't want to try.
Why not? Whoa!
Whoa.
How was that?
Cool.